Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I came up with another new recruitment of Indian Coast Guard recruitment. Here they have announced a notification for two posts for who have completed BE. Guys, this is a government job. It is a technical engineering for who have completed engineering or electrical for 2022 batch. They have mentioned like this. Here the two posts are there for general duty and technical engineering and electrical. Here the required candidate's gender is male only, and the education qualification for general duty is candidate who have passed bachelor degree from any recognized university with minimum 60% in aggregate first semester to 8th semester for BE or BTech course, or first year to last year for bachelor degree candidates who are applicable. Guys, not only for this is for electrical or engineering, this is for also all the branches. And the year they have mentioned another point also, mathematics and physics as subjects up to intermediate or class 12th 10 plus 2 plus 3 scheme of education or equivalent with 60% aggregates in mathematics and physics. And the second post is technical. Here for engineering and electrical they have told also age. For first post I have been told, I will telling you now. Born between 1st July 1997 to 30 June 2001, who are date of birth from this to this, they can apply for this post also same. And here the qualification they have mentioned for technical is engineering degree with 60% marks in aggregate or should have passed section A and section B examination from the institution of engineering in any of discipline listed below with 60% marks. Engineering branch, naval, architecture or mechanical or marine or automotive or mechatronics, industrial production or metallurgy or design, aeronautical or aerospace. And electrical branch, electrical or electronics, telecommunication or instrumentation or control or electronics, E&C also, power engineering also, power electronics also. Here they have told another point, all the above streams of engineering must be recognized by All India Council of Technical Education, AICTE. And they have told 60% aggregate is compulsory in physics and maths in 12th class. 3-year diploma course with an aggregate 60% also. They can also apply. Here the vacancies are like this. For GD 40 vacancies are there. The caste wise they have mentioned, have given in a notification link in a description box. You have to go to that and thorough detail of full details of this job. And for tech engineering or electrical, for 10 vacancies are there. And they have given also how to apply. Application will be accepted through online. Here the last date for apply this job was 14th July 2021 up to 11:59 hours, guys. And next they have also told the when promotion got the salary also mentioned. And the selection, firstly we will see selection procedure. Here the stages are there. First stage is shortlisting of application. Shortlisting criteria will based on higher percentage of marks and qualifying examination, and qualifying cutoff for a particular branch or center may have increased more than 60% if applications are with higher percentage are received. Next is the preliminary selection, and the stage 2 is final selection. The candidates who qualify preliminary will be called for an final selection. Here the preliminary selection is that shortlisted candidates will be called for preliminary exam selection at given date and time, which will consist of mental ability test or cognitive aptitude test and picture perception discussion test. Once you selected for this preliminary, you will call for a final selection. Then you in final selection also you have selected, you will get a job and you will get a call from. And once you selected, the list of documents also given. And here they have mentioned also height, weight, what should be the height size, chest. I have given description in a notification link. You have to go to that and read all the points. Okay guys, they have mentioned also when promote got it, and what the salary basic pay they have also mentioned, and the other benefits also mentioned. The apply link also I have given in description box. You have to go to that link and apply in their own way, official website. Okay guys, hope you like this video, and still who are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel, and your one subscribe will give a lot of motivation for me. And please share this video to your friends also, and give a thumbs